If you've been wondering what I actually use on wash day for my locks, this video is for you. No 15-step routine, no drawer full of products, just the products I found that genuinely work for me after almost 4 years of having locks. So let's get into it. Hey everyone, welcome back to Her Loc Life. If you're new here, I share everything locks, from styling tutorials to product recommendations, and my journey growing healthy locks. If that sounds like your kind of content, make sure you subscribe, and let's jump into my wash day routine. So the first product I use is the Design Essentials Rosemary and Mint Shampoo. I absolutely love how clean it makes my scalp feel. The rosemary and mint leave this refreshing, cooling sensation that's honestly one of my favorite parts of wash day. It also lathers really well, so I don't have to use a ton of product to get through all of my locks. And even though it gives me a really deep clean, my locks never feel stripped or super dry afterward. And since I style my locks pretty often, I need something that helps remove buildup while still keeping my hair feeling healthy, and this shampoo does exactly that. Next is my scalp massager. Now, if you watched my videos before, you already know I usually have long nails. Trying to wash your locks with long nails can be stressful. I don't want to scratch my scalp or snap a nail. So instead, I use a scalp massager to really work the shampoo into my scalp. It helps loosen dirt and buildup, gives my scalp a nice massage, and honestly just makes wash day feel easier and so much better for me. If you're a long nail girl, I definitely recommend picking one up. I actually got this one from Winners and it was only $6.99. They always have a bunch of these, so this is where I always go to pick it up. So once my hair is clean, I go in with the Talia Waheed leave-in conditioner. I like this because it adds moisture back into my locks without making them feel heavy or weighed down. I know conditioner can be a controversial topic in the lock community, but everyone has their own routine. But this is what worked really well for me. It leaves my locks feeling soft, hydrated, and ready for styling. Next is the Made for Locks oil spray, and I genuinely love this product. I use it to moisturize my locks and nourish my scalp. One thing I really appreciate is that it's made specifically for locks, so it helps strengthen and protect my hair without leaving behind any buildup or making my locks feel oily. It smells amazing. Every time I use it, my hair smells fresh and clean, and that's always a bonus. And if I'm doing a retwist, this is the product I reach for. The Talia Waheed Honey Hold It Locks and Twist Gel. I really like this gel because it gives my retwists a nice hold without making my locks feel stiff or crunchy. It keeps my roots looking neat while still allowing my locks to have movement. A little definitely goes a long way, so I don't have to use very much product. It also doesn't leave my locks feeling overly sticky or heavy, which I appreciate because I'm always trying to avoid unnecessary buildup. It's definitely become my go-to product for retwists. One thing I've learned throughout my lock journey is that healthy locks don't require a million different products. When I first started my journey, I thought I needed to buy every product people recommended online. But over time, I've realized it's less about having a huge collection and more about finding products that actually work for your hair and sticking with them. My routine is simple, it's consistent, and it's been working really well for me. At the end of the day, everyone's locks are different, so don't feel like you need to copy someone else's shelf of products. Find what works for your hair, stay consistent, and let your locks do their thing. So those are all the products I currently use for wash day. I'd love to know what's in your wash day routine, so let me know down in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more lock content. And I'll see you in the next one.